Hi guys, it is Monday, November the 2nd. So we are into week 9 for world history. So if we check out our week 9 checklist, which is in Schoology or your class home document that you've bookmarked, you'll want to kind of check out some of the things we got available for you this week. As always, make sure you finish up your work from last week, so particularly both of those sections of notes, because they're going to pay off big time with our assignment this week. So the assignment this week is almost the entire week what you're doing. Because you've already finished notes for the entire unit except for topic 3.4. So I would start with topic 3.4 because that could be useful when you get to the assignment. After that, you're going to notice you're ending with the multiple choice exam. Pretty short multiple choice exam, but make sure you use your study guide, those check for understandings, and your notes as you're taking the exam and preparing for the exam as well. The big thing we're spending time on the assignment, it's all going to be in one big document, and that is going to be the topic 3.3 essay. So it being an essay, that's going to be where you spend most of your time. You don't need to do any outside research. I'm providing all of that for you. Remember to check out the tutorial video that's in there. But again, make sure you watch the tutorial video. As you see each part, kind of complete each part, then come back to the video, those sorts of ideas. But highlighting and annotating those documents before you try and write it. Really trying to finish the essay hopefully by Thursday. So kind of finish your organizer Tuesday, Wednesday, essay Thursday, test on Friday, and you're going to be good to go and you're going to have knocked out the third unit. As always, email me if you have any questions, and if you need to come to office hours, those are available at the top for class home document. Have a wonderful week, and we'll talk to you later in the week.